Yo, it's me again. I'm back. Take care of this kitchen line. A little bit of grease in this one. Check this out. You see that? That's a whole wad of grease. You see it creeping down in there. That's a lump of grease. Lump of grease. Lump of grease. Lump of grease. Grease, grease, grease. So I'm gonna try to get it out of here. Let's use my cable. Yep, it happens. Camera fell. Oh yeah, there's this. Looks better, don't it? I'm gonna put this on my lips, on this Vaseline. Some chapstick, boy. Alright, well, that's how you get the kitchen line clean sometimes. See y'all next time.